I got a bad grade.
It's okay, Tom.
We can help you improve. You need more practice.
You are angry with me.
No, I want to help.
Nobody understands me.
I'm leaving. Goodbye.
This place is huge.
Now I'm free.
Where is Tom? He's gone.
We must find him.
Is he hiding? Let's check the hallway.
Good idea. We'll find him.
I miss home.
I'm hungry.
I want my family.
Please help us find him.
Have you seen our son, Tom?
He's a young boy about this tall. No, sorry, I haven't.
Tom, where are you?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. We love you. Welcome home. I learned my lesson.
Mistakes help us grow.
Family is always here for you.
We love you, Tom.